to Appetite for the Outdoors. I am Chef Paul Rose, and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker. Today we're using the 5-quart Dutch oven, and we're going to be doing a sunny day chicken. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Season our chicken with a little salt and pepper. We're going to put our oil here in the bottom of the pan, get that nice and hot so we get a good sear on each of the chicken breasts. And when you're cooking this, you're going to want to have your heat about probably medium heat on there. That way it doesn't cook too quick or burn. That's the color we're wanting right there. That's pretty. Yeah, it's nice and golden brown, a little bit crispy. That's perfect. Now we got the chicken done, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic. And garlic, you just wanna kind of roll it around, get it aromatic, and that's about all you need to do. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our butter, and we're gonna make a little bit of a roux. It's just gonna thicken the sauce up just slightly. We're gonna take our flour now. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken stock. We're gonna take our cream, add it in there as well. I also like to add my oregano. This way all the flavors are gonna kind of mingle together. We're gonna take our sun-dried tomatoes, throw it in there as well. For a little bit of heat, we got some pepper flakes, a little salt, a little pepper. Once we get it to a point to where it seems like it's thickening up a little bit, you're gonna wanna add your Parmesan cheese. So now it's time to go ahead and put our chicken back into the sauce. We're gonna cover it with the lid. We're gonna reduce the heat down, let it cook on low for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. It's nice and bubbling. Oh man, look at that. That looks awesome. All right, so this is a very simple dish that you can cook anytime. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we will see you next time.